What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin and we are in the Model Y studios, and today I want to be sharing a product with you from Tesstudios. This product is going to be sitting on top of your existing wireless charging area. So check this out. This is what Tesstudio sent out for me to check out and share with you all. It pretty much just sits right on top of the wireless charger, and it's also powered by the wireless charger. So let's go and check it out and play with it. So this just sits right on top of the wireless charger, and this version actually has two LED lights where you could put it under or around your footwell. So we're gonna check that out as well. But it's really self-explanatory as far as installation. It just sits right on top, and so there are little I guess clips on the side that'll latch underneath the edges of your wireless charger. And that's it. Notice the blue light, and now it's on. Check that out. No messing with cables or removing panels or anything like that. And so these will be powered on just like how your wireless charger is powered on. So it's pretty intuitive. To change the time, you just hold down on the right, and you have your year, month, day, hour, and minute selection. When you're finished, you hit the green check mark and you swipe from the left or the right, and it takes you to different settings of options. And so if you swipe left, you have your atmosphere lamp settings, and you have your settings, more settings for the lamp settings. You can have your rest screen turned on or off, your language settings, the effect. There's several effects. There is breathe, voice, roll, and light. So that will determine what kind of patterns is displayed. So as you can see, as I am talking, the lights move. So this could be like when you're playing music, be programmed to move with the sounds that it is hearing. And so there's also roll, where it just like there's the patterns roll through the edges. I don't know if you could see the bottom part. Let's move this up here so you could see these LEDs and how they work. And then there's this light, which is just the solid. Now this color is selected here, so it's very cool. Or you can go RGB and manually select the colors from this graph. So you could just drag around and stuff. But one cool thing, so by default this was actually set to 5, and the sound control is also set to 5, but you can control this to make it even brighter. So I'm setting this sucker to 10. I love the bright light, especially at night. The Rivian recently had a software update. It was given ambient light controls, so I can change different light colors on the ambient lighting in the Rivian R1T Gen 1. The Tesla Model Y, this Tesla Model Y doesn't have any ambient lighting, unlike the Model 3 refresh, the Highland. So this is a really great accessory to add on with your current Model Y, because there is none. And this will go under the footwell down here, and there's already an adhesive included that you can place it wherever you like. So we're going to be doing that. But yeah, also you have the placement of your AirPods or AirPods Pro. See, it started recognizing it and is now charging. You can see the red light blinking and everything. So you have that capability. You can have your phone charged next to it. So as you can see, it's charging right up there. So really neat accessory. I'm gonna close the garage door and try to get it dark here and turn off like the footwell, the stock default lighting, so you get a better idea of how it looks like in the dark. All right, so you want to turn off your ambient lights, compete with your lights in the footwell. So I closed the garage and check it out. There you go. The footwell lights are looking pretty good. Let's go and play around with the settings and see what kind of colors we could play with. Check that out. Ooh, but let's do like the breathe. It's breathing. Very nice, very nice. Let's do the voice. Let's do the voice. So that screen is touchscreen and you're swiping left or right, and right now it's going off of my voice. Now, when you have this mode on, the footwell lights look like it's not on. But let's see what other modes we have to use to get the footwell lights on. So breathe looks like the footwell lights turn on with the breathe mode. Yeah, but voice doesn't work, roll works, and regular light works. But yeah, I think it's pretty nice. Very nice. Good job, Tesstudios. I like it. It's a good addition to the car. Ooh, look at this red one. It's like Knight Rider right there. Let's change that to breathe. Oh man. Let me know in the comments below what color you would set yours to. I think I like the red. All right, we are in the Model Y Night Edition Studios. We are supercharging for a little bit. I went out not only to supercharge but also to show you how these lights are at night. I'm going to insert some clips that I've recorded as I was driving here with the different modes. The brightness is set to high, and I tried to find spots where it was just dark, or at least as dark as possible. So yeah, I mean it looks great. I think it's great. I just wish the voice one would also have that blinking feature with the lights in the footwell, those two lights that I put in the footwell. Overall, I like it. I think it's a really cool addition to the Model Y. Yes, Tesstudios, thank you very much for sending this out. Check the video description below for product information, as well as links, and as well as possible discounts. Let me know if you do pick it up and what color are you going to set it to. I mean, so far I'm digging the red. I really am digging the red. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.